What are you doing, Leah?
I am getting a nose plug for Cory snoring. I swear to God.
And she's holding the hammer. Wow.
A hammer?
When Cory sees this, he's gonna realize how close he came to dying.
It's that bad. Yes!
What's up, girl? What's up? What's up?
One's up there.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
He's gonna hate me if he wakes up. It's gonna hurt. Just run through the hurt block.
He's gonna be pissed.
You can't see anything.
Oh my God.
It helps.
You woke him up.
He's so pissed right now. He's so pissed.
He's like the worst friend, yeah.
Aww,
Wait
we
until-
love you too.
Wait until you watch this video. That's really funny.